TikTok campaigns can be tracked in CPV Lab Pro in the same way as campaigns from other traffic sources. There are just some minor differences which are related to the TikTok ads interface and to the TikTok conversion integration that we'll go through in this video. Define the campaign in the tracker. First, make sure that you have TikTok defined in CPV Lab. Go to the traffic sources page and import TikTok from the catalog if necessary, then save the page. Now create a new campaign in your CPV Lab Pro instance. Enter the name and choose the data options that you want to have tracked. It's very important to always select user agent for TikTok campaigns and also the other metrics that you want to see for your visitors, like computer data and so on. Now select TikTok as the traffic source. You will see the main tokens like target, ad, external ID already pre-filled, and you can select other data to be captured in the extra token fields. Define the offers that you are promoting, either by choosing a predefined one or by entering them in the offers section. You will be provided with a campaign URL, which is the URL where your TikTok traffic will be redirected to. Generate a TikTok pixel. This step is optional, but it is recommended in order to allow TikTok to optimize your ad delivery based on conversions received. With CPV Lab Pro, you can pass conversion details from the tracker to TikTok in real time as soon as you get conversions from your offers. The integration is made by using a TikTok web event, also named the TikTok pixel. Go to the Assets, Events page in the TikTok Ads Manager interface, then choose Web Events and Set up Web Event. Now select Events API to create a pixel integration through the API. Enter a name for the pixel and choose Manual Installation. Click Next and you will have the pixel details which are needed for the integration. Pixel ID at the top of the page and access token obtained by clicking the button in the page. Make sure that you save these two details in a safe place. Go back to the campaign setup page in CPV Lab Pro and look for the TikTok API integration section near the bottom of the page. Here is where you enter the access token and pixel ID details from above. Define the campaign in TikTok. Access the TikTok interface and set up your campaign. Choose to create a new campaign, then select a goal. The best option from here is conversions, but it can also be traffic or lead generation. Select as promotion type website because you want to send visitors to your landing page or offer. Select the pixel that you have generated above in order to send conversions to TikTok. Choose complete payment for the optimization event. In the targeting section, you will define your target audience for your ad group based on location, languages, gender, age, and interests. The audience depends on the offers that you promote, so choose what makes more sense for your campaign. Now it's time to set up your ad creatives. Upload a video or choose one from your gallery, then add your best text to it. Once this is done, go to the destination section and put the campaign URL provided in CPV Lab Pro as your URL. Visitors that click on your ad will be tracked by the campaign URL and then quickly redirected to your landing page or offer. We recommend that you repeat the ad creation process, as it is always a good idea to have at least 2 or 3 creatives set up in your campaign. This will allow you to see which ad variation performs better. If you want to target a different audience as well, then you should create a different ad group for that audience. And this is your first TikTok campaign that will be tracked with CPV Lab Pro. Check the visitor stats page from the tracker once you get your first visitors, and you will have them tracked here. When you get a conversion registered at the affiliate level, it will be posted to CPV Lab Pro and then passed back automatically to TikTok through the TikTok API integration. So you'll have conversions tracked both in CPV Lab Pro and in TikTok in order to optimize ad delivery. Aggregated reports about your visitors, ads, ad groups can be obtained using the campaign stats page.